Basketball highlights from the Bud Light Golden Hoops Classic over at the Tamuning Gym between Bank of Guam and Guahan Waste Control. GWC's Melchior Kerman with the layup in between two defenders. Lance Osborne with the loose ball dishes it up court to Corey Lorenzo for the finish. Lorenzo put up a game-high 18 points. Ray Sablon in the right place at the right time. He comes up with the ball and takes it inside for 2 of his 12 points. Tony Babauta dribbles his way inside the paint and knocks down the jumper. Bank of Guam picked up the win 64-35. Jerry Hinkle hit for 11 points, knocking down 3 shots from downtown. Mark Tyron had 7 in his team's losing effort. Now for some Masters Games basketball from the UOG Fieldhouse in the 55-plus division. Bill Napati with the basket for the blue team. Number 18, Sebastian, spots up and knocks down the 3 for the white team. Napati driving and draws the double team, kicks it out to Rod Carvajal, who pulled up for his signature shot. That's good for 2 points. Sebastian with the feed down low goes glass for the left-handed shot. The blue team pulled off the win behind Mr. Rod Carvajal, a.k.a. Mr. Unstoppable, with another jumper here in his team's win. Turning to some volleyball news, let's take a look at some results from the DPR Gov Guam Co-Ed Volleyball League over at the Guam Sports Complex. DPR Defenders picked up the 2-set win over Department of Public Health and Social Services, 25-11, 25-17. DOE Sweaty picked up the 3-set win over Customs, 25-13, 18-25, 15-12. Louis P. Untalon picked up another 3-set win over GMHA, 25-15, 15-25, 15-12. The Baltimore Ravens